This is the elevator at the Erie County Community College, formerly Villa Maria Academy in Millcreek Township, Pennsylvania. I'm not sure what this was originally, but it was completely replaced in 2013 when it was still Villa Maria Academy with a third-party Otis elevator, it seems like. It seems to be on an Otis controller. Basement by Frontier General Contracting. That's what the permit says, and it's on their project portfolio. So down the basement here to go down. It's a very weird job. Very weird elevator. Here's the basement. Yeah, that rings regardless if there's a call, which is typical Otis behavior. 53. It takes forever to close. The door close does not work. Here we go. Yeah, the arrow turning on at that point is also Otis behavior, so I'm pretty sure this is on an Otis controller. It seems like a third-party Otis. It's a very loud chime, directional chime. Imagine on the one. You know what? It's really going to reveal it's Otis if this happens. Yep, it's Otis. That's 100% Otis. The way if you press the full volume already on and it flashes, that's Otis. It's a basic. Oh wait, you know what could also signify it's Otis? Yeah, okay, register that. Hold on. Yeah, it's a basic fake green cab. You're like a one. I can't confirm Otis maintains it, so that kind of further proves stuff. Here goes the next PDA.